Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Simply Shani here, and I'm back with another video. Alright guys, so today's video is sponsored by Glow Girl Cosmetics and Impressions of Beauty. Look at my shirt, check it out. It's cute, huh? It's cute, huh? So today I will be reviewing the Snatched why is my throat acting? I'll be reviewing the Snatched eyeshadow palette, y'all. Let me open. Look, first of all, let's get into this packaging. You see the packaging? You see it, sis? Yes. This is like a pink purple, and it's got like the gold writing. This is so pretty, y'all. But wait till I open it up. Hold on. If I can get it out, I'm struggling. Y'all, look at this palette. Ooh. Look at that. Look at this palette. Y'all, this is wow. Y'all, these colors. Wow. I don't even know what kind of eyeshadow look I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get into reviewing this palette later on once I'm done with my makeup. I just really wanted to show you guys what it looks like. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera. And then once I get back, we're gonna be going ahead and diving into this palette because I'm about to see if I can do my eyeshadow today. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, y'all, so I am back and I have my eyebrows filled in. They are not twins, they are sisters, okay? Also, your girl just took off her jacket because I was getting a little hype. But I'm trying to open up the palette now so I can go ahead and have it open. Before I start using it, I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. You guys know, gotta have a big mirror on deck. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I do suggest, this is not a primer, I do suggest that you guys use a primer. I'm not like really experienced with eyeshadow. I kind of just put, you know, a little bit on and see how it looks, and it takes me a while. So if you guys can just bear with me. And that's pretty much that. But I suggest using a primer of some sort and then going in with your concealer, because that's just what I usually do. And this is definitely beginner friendly because, honey, I am a beginner. Alright, so then I go in with a powder to go ahead and kind of set the concealer that I just put in. So you guys know that I'm super simple and your girl is not the best at eyeshadow, but I'm about to go ahead and dip my brush into, I think I'm gonna go with this color right here. This one right here, and I'm gonna just dip it in, tap off the excess, and apply. You guys know I gotta grab this mirror, okay, because I gotta see what I'm doing. Using that color as my transition shade, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it up in there. Y'all, with this product, a little goes a long way, because as you guys can see, I have it all over. Go in and take this brush and use this lighter shade right here. Y'all, when I say I'm really weak, because I was using this mirror when there's a mirror on the freaking palette. All right, so I'm going to be taking another eyeshadow brush and probably gonna take this one right here and dip it into this shade right here at the bottom, you guys. Dip it into that, get it all up in there good and stuff. And then I'm gonna tap off the excess and apply it. I'm going to apply it right here on kind of like the outer corners and try to like blend it all in. So it's kind of looking a little wild. Ooh, yeah, it's so hard to show me. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that other little brush that I had and go back in with the middle product again. Oh, go back in with this one right here, and I'm gonna go back on to my lid. All right guys, so I'm about to do the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna fast forward through the rest of this stuff, and I will see you guys once it's time for me to go ahead and review the eyeshadow. This is the Glow Girl Cosmetics highlight. I do have makeup all on my hands, but y'all, this is the highlight that I reviewed. I think it was my last makeup video from them, and honey, I've been using it ever since. It's a great highlighter. This is how my makeup is looking right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lippy. I'm probably just gonna throw on like either some clear lip gloss or like, you know, some shimmer gloss. Probably just throw this on. So I'm thinking. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Somebody needs to teach me how to apply lashes, because I feel like lashes would make it look a lot better than it actually does. But this is how we're looking. Got me a little bit of highlight on. I use that Glow Girl Cosmetics highlighter again. And this is how we're looking. Close my eyes so you guys can see. Love this palette, you guys. On the back of it, it just has the ingredients of it. It just says it's formulated without mineral oil. So it's just talking about everything that is formulated without. It is by Glow Girl Cosmetics. It is called Snatched. I'll show you guys what the inside of the palette looks like. But y'all, all the colors are super duper pigmented. It's so pretty. It has the perfect colors for, you know, especially for my women of color. This is the go-to palette. I have different colors. I thought I was really going to use the gold, but I did not use the gold. I used more of like the whiter tone color. It's like a white sparkle type color. That's the one that I used. It's like a, actually it's kind of like a light peach pinky type color. Anyways, it's all that in one. But it is so pretty. The packaging, I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. It is super duper pretty, y'all. Like, you know, I'm a sucker for the pink, and you put a pink and gold combo. Look at my hands, y'all. They are so dirty from all this makeup. But this palette is hands down very, very beautiful. I'm a big fan of Glow Girl Cosmetics, so I will definitely put in the description bar their link so that you guys can shop on their site, because they are amazing. Follow them on Instagram at Glow Girl Cosmetics. This is super duper bomb. I do recommend that you guys get this palette. Let me do another close-up so you guys can see it. And thank you guys for watching this video. Bye guys. Mwah.